Welcome. If you're curious about how to know if someone has added you on Messenger, you're in the right place. It can sometimes be tricky to navigate these connections, but don't worry. Today, I'll walk you through some clear signs that can help you figure it out. First, let's talk about received messages. If you get a message from someone new, that's a strong indicator that they've added you to their contacts. It's a simple but effective way to start your connection with them on Messenger. Next up is the friend request. If someone sends you a friend request on Facebook, it's a clear signal that they want to connect with you on Messenger as well. Accepting their request usually means you'll have access to chat directly. Another sign to look for is their profile picture and information. If you can see their profile picture and details like their name and other info, it typically means you're connected on Facebook. This connection usually translates to being added on Messenger, making it easier to reach out. Lastly, keep an eye on their active status. If you can see when they were last active or if they're currently online, it's likely that you're both in each other's contact lists. This shared visibility is a great way to gauge your connection. By recognizing these signs, you'll have a better understanding of your Messenger connections. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.